Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I have such a good idea. Like, you have no idea how excited I am for this. We're gonna make Visco like stickers to put on my water bottle and phone case and laptop case, and I think that'd be super fun. Yeah, first we're gonna go to Michael's and we gotta get like sticker paper or something. I don't really know. I didn't really look it up, but I'm assuming there's paper that's just stickers and then you can print onto it and then it'll make the sticker, right? It should be easy. If not, well, we'll see. I'm actually gonna go to Starbucks first because it's freezing and I want like a not steeped tea. What do I want? We'll figure that out. Woo! Okay. I'm at Starbucks, except they don't have a drive-through, so I have to go inside. See you in a second. I got a vanilla steamer, and I probably wasted like 20 minutes of camera footage doing that, but that's okay. Oh, so good. Since I'm going into public, and I don't like that, I'm not gonna bring my camera inside, but I will vlog on my phone, so the quality will be less, but I will not have anxiety. So, there we go. I always end up in this aisle somehow. Like, do I need more pens and pencils? No. Am I gonna get some? No. Bruh, the craft store doesn't have sticker paper. We're gonna go to Staples and then we're gonna go to Walmart, and if there's none there, then I'm gonna cry and this video is over. Why doesn't the craft store have sticker paper? Or is like sticker paper not a thing? I swear it's a thing. Okay, well, I guess we'll find out. We were so close. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that was only gold and silver sticker paper. And I didn't realize till I got to the checkout. And then I awkwardly walked back and put it back, and then now we're going to Staples. Okay, oh my gosh. I found some. It's removable white full sheet labels, customizable shapes. So I'm assuming it's all stickers and then I can just cut it out. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, let's actually make the stickers now. Jeez, that was like an hour. So, we are in my room. I don't know why I'm holding that. Okay, I have my laptop here and we are going to look up some cute stickers that I want to make. And I'm gonna put them all onto like a Word document and then hopefully print them and it'll work. I don't know how this is going to work at all, but I saw on Pinterest some really cute like stickers that I want to make, so we're gonna try it. Okay, let's open up my sticker paper. Okay, we're just gonna try it. Yellow, right? Let's go put this in the printer. So these are kind of what I'm doing here, and we're gonna click print with these test ones, and then yeah. Wait, stop. Guys, I'm dumb. Okay, so it worked, but my mom's probably gonna kill me because I did it on the wrong side. So good news, I can use this again. Okay, let's yeah, printer paper has to go in upside down. So, we're trying again. They didn't actually turn out too bad. I'm kind of excited. And some are gonna go on my laptop, some are gonna go on my water bottle, but we'll decide that later. Now that so that was just like a sheet that had like pre-done ones. Now I'm gonna go through Pinterest and pick out the ones that I like personally, and then save them to a Word document and then print them off. So let's do that.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah.
Okay, so I just finished collecting a bunch that I thought were nice and printed them off, so I'll go grab them. This is from my Pinterest search. So these are all ones that I collected together. I'm probably gonna do a couple more, but I really wanna just like cut these out and see what they look like. So these two I found on Pinterest already, kind of as a collection of like aesthetic things that match. And then these are like specific ones that I found that I just put on a Word document. Now I got some scissors and we're gonna go through, probably listen to some music, and then try to cut these out as clean as possible.
We met on a summer day in June. Said you were headed on your way to Malibu. You'd never been, but you always wanted to. You moved out from the East Coast, California snow. You couldn't handle all the winter and the snow. So there's a lot of things you're trying to do.
Okay, you guys, we're almost done. Almost done. I am actually having a really good time. It's very peaceful. And like, if you're stressed out and you have like a day where you can just kind of relax, I would do this. Because then you can watch Netflix at the same time. And instead of feeling like you wasted a day, you'll actually feel like you accomplished something on your day off, but it'll also be something that you wanted to do. I was like grabbing the whole piece of paper and then cutting it out, but then I've just decided to start cutting it in smaller sections. It's a little bit easier that way. The only thing is these aren't gonna be like glossy stickers. They're just gonna be like, oh, it looks so beautiful. Very happy with myself. And I just like picked things that I liked and thought would like be positive, and it was cheaper because this is like not very expensive to do actually. You just need to have the money to buy the paper, and then as long as you have like a printer, you're good to go. My family's probably gonna hate me because I used a lot of the ink, but we just won't talk about it. It said low on ink for like 2 months. But watch, one morning when I try to like print off a paper like last minute, it's probably gonna be like no ink, and I'm gonna be like, oh no. It's gonna be like, because you printed off all those stickers. Okay, you guys, hello, I'm back. So, why do I always snap? Okay, I just finished cutting up all of the stickers and I'm super excited. They actually look adorable. Here is a couple of them. Well, I'll try to pick them all up, but yeah, they're all just kind of There's quite a few. Now I'm gonna grab my water bottle that is at the arena actually. So I'm gonna go skate, and then when I come home we can put the stickers on it. I'm so excited. Okay, so since my stuff is at the rink, I thought I would show you my laptop and what I'm thinking of doing with it. So this is what it looks like. That's what I'm thinking of putting on my laptop. And then these stickers are just miscellaneous. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them yet. And then these two are for my boyfriend that I made. I think they're kind of funny. He plays basketball and he likes blue, so there's those two. And then these are the ones that I'm gonna put on my water bottle once I have it. So yeah, I just kind of laid them out. I didn't stick them on yet because I don't know if that's exactly how I want it to look, but it actually looks kind of cool, so I think I might do that now. Hello you guys. So I just finished practice, and that's why I look a little more insane than last time. But my water bottle I brought back from practice, and that's the first sticker that I put on it. And we're gonna put a couple more on it, and then I'll show you it at the end. So I'm trying to figure out like where I want everything. I'm so weird. Okay. Guys, they look so cute. Look at it. I don't know if you can see. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I can't.